Hey digital stars! Today I'm playing the new Animal Hospital update with my friend Maddie. So in shift 1 there's actually 4 people that comes in now instead of 2. Let's just do shift over with and hope that we get this special event. The new people are so cute. Stamp form. Take photo. Register you in. Print your badge. Take the badge. And talk. Room 1. Okay, Al. Do room 1 and I think is herbs still cause they did change the shift 1, so maybe they changed the treatment too. Let's pinch you. Analyze the sample. I wish it can go faster. Let's see if it's herbs. Okay, speed it up. Okay, so it is still herbs. Okay, I'ma be right back to shift 3. The new event, yay! AWW, they look so cute. What's the name of the fish with the light hanging? So sorry you're an anomaly, but I don't want to refuse you. LTFJFGBTSNDDTYCAR69FSSBHAGDFCND. What are you saying, bro? Oh man, I think it's over. I'll be back when I get to Dr. Harlows' office. Okay, the hazmat team is here for Harlows packages. The whole hazmat team just for packages is sus. We finally get to see Harlow's office. Sorry, patience, the hospital's closed. We gotta deliver these 2 packages. Dr. Harlow's office is so huge. Oh, so this is where you work. I'ma take a screenshot for the thumbnail. This is